Alright, we have a problem here. We have gotten into the vehicle. We're trying to start the car. Nothing happens. The dash doesn't light up. The headlights don't come on. No beep or anything. So we're trying to figure out what's going on. And that led us to check the fuses. There's a main battery fuse inside this box in our 2001 Civic here. We already have it disconnected because we're kind of in a rush here. But so came into the fuse box, and at first glance it looks connected, but then when you unscrew it, you actually can see the separation there. This fuse is blown. That's why we're not getting any battery power. So yeah, if you have that symptom where nothing turns on, only the hazard lights were working, just as a safety, so that if this happens and you're on the side of the road, you know, you can still at least put your hazards on so people know you're there and, you know, don't hit you or whatever. Safety. So, alright, we gotta get this in. That one actually fits really nice and tight. Alright, so we're gonna, oh, we have our battery disconnected, by the way. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. But we're messing with battery power, so I disconnected the battery as a safety precaution. Alright, so now we got it hooked up. We're gonna hook up the battery and give it a shot. Yeah.
No, just turn off.
There you go. Alright, so as you can see, now we got power flowing through out of our battery and into the system, and problem is solved. It was only a $4 part. Alright.